The three goats. Once there were three goats. The three goats were sisters, and each sister was bigger than the other. The youngest sister was the smallest. The middle child was normal sized, and the eldest goat was the biggest. One day, the three goats were happily eating grass in the field. They had eaten grass there for many years, but now there was not much grass left. Oh ho, said the youngest goat, there is no grass left. What will we eat now? It's because you ate all the grass, said the middle child. You are such a greedy little goat. You think because you are the youngest that you can eat all the grass. Stop, said the eldest goat. This has happened before, but you two are probably too young to remember. There is another field we can go to where there will be lots more grass. Follow me. The eldest goat took her two sisters through the field to a big bridge. The bridge went over a river, and the water under the river flowed quickly. What is that? Said the youngest goat. That's not grass. Hush, silly sister, said the middle child, but she also didn't know what it was. It is a bridge, explained the eldest. It will take us to the other field where all the grass is. But why can't we just swim? Said the youngest. Don't be silly. Can't you see how fast that water is flowing? If we went into that water, we would drown. Very true, said the eldest goat, who thought the middle goat was much sillier than the youngest. Now the bridge is quite narrow, so we must walk across it one by one. I'll go first, said the middle goat. No, no, said the eldest. Let the youngest go first. If the bridge is broken, then she won't fall in, but we are bigger and we could easily fall in the water. So the youngest goat was the first to cross the bridge. The bridge was not broken and she did not fall in. She walked across the narrow bridge and soon she could not see or hear her sisters, but before she could cross to other side, there was a horrible noise. Roar! A troll jumped out in front of the goat. Ah! Cried the youngest goat. You are not grass. No, I am a troll, said the troll. Oh, said the goat, I am glad. I wouldn't eat you if you are grass. Aren't you afraid of me? Said the troll. Not really, said the goat. Why should I be afraid? Yes, yes, you should, said the troll. I am a big, hungry troll, and do you know what trolls eat? Grass, said the youngest goat. We eat grass and it's very nice, so I think. No, said the troll, I eat goats. Oh, but you are not going to eat me, are you? I am so young. I want to live a long life. Well, too bad, said the troll, because I am going to eat you, and there is nothing you can do to stop me. But really, said the goat, you said you are big and hungry, but I am just a little goat. If you eat me, you will still be hungry. My sister will be coming soon, and she is bigger than me, so you can eat her instead. And why don't I just eat you and your sister? Said the troll. Well, that would be greedy, but also, if you try to eat me, I'll make lots of noise and my sister will know not to cross the bridge. Fine, fine, said the troll. Hopefully, your sister is less annoying. Yeah, thank you, Mr. Troll. The youngest sister crossed to the other side. Next, the middle goat crossed the narrow bridge. She worried that the bridge might break, but it didn't. When the troll jumped out, she was quite surprised. Oh, I thought the bridge was breaking, but it's just a rabbit or something. A rabbit, said the troll. I'm not a rabbit. All right, maybe a cat. Look, we live in a small field. I don't know what others animals look like. That doesn't matter, said the troll, because I'm going to eat you. Oh, said the middle goat. Please tell me you ate my younger sister. She's so annoying. I did not, said the troll, because I'm going to eat you, and I can see that you are bigger than your sister, and so I will not be hungry afterwards. Oh, you poor thing, said the goat, you must have so little food. You think I'll be enough food for you? You probably have been eating too little all your life. Listen, my older sister is coming after me, and she's really fat. She's the biggest goat I have ever seen. She would really make a better meal. And why can't I eat you both? Said the troll. Right now, he was thinking that maybe he should start eating grass. Grass didn't talk when you tried to eat it. Grass wasn't annoying like these goats, and his stomach was so empty. Well, first that would be greedy, but also my older sister is very fast. If you eat me, you will be tired, and my sister will be too fast for you. But if you wait for her, you will be able to catch her. Also, I ate some really bad grass earlier, so you really don't want to eat me. Fine, fine, said the troll. Go on, thanks, said the middle goat. She crossed over the bridge. Finally, the eldest goat crossed. The bridge made some noises, but it did not break. When the troll jumped out, the eldest goat was not surprised. I remember you, she said. It's been years, hasn't it? I don't know what you are thinking about, said the troll. I have never met you. Oh, silly me, it was your mother I killed, wasn't it? You were just a little baby then. What are you talking about? Said the troll. But it was too late for him. The eldest goat jumped and hit the troll with her head. The troll fell off the bridge and into the river. Oh, cried the troll. Bye, said the eldest goat. Oh, and if you have any babies, I'll kill them too. I'll drown them one by one. The waters flowed quickly and the troll drowned. But at least his stomach was empty. It was full of water. The eldest goat crossed the bridge and found her sisters. Oh, said the middle goat. What did you tell the troll? Did you tell him that another troll was coming? Oh, don't worry, said the eldest goat. I was very nice to him. Really? Said the youngest goat. Is he still on the bridge? No, no, said the eldest. We decided that we should leave. He lives somewhere much better now. Now come on, we have got all three grass to eat. You want to grow up to big and strong like me if you don't eat your grass. Now there were no trolls on the bridge, so the three goats could cross it easily. When there were no more grass in the field, the three goats crossed the bridge one by one and went to the other field, and so they happily ate grass for the rest of their lives. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.